Okay, you guys remember Sebastian Diog, the real fan. The kid that messed with the track switch and some other stuff. Yeah, he was crazy and basically the punching bag for us real fans. Well, I have something even better. So this new interesting event happened in Quebec around May 17th, with a supposed Quebec-Gatineau Railway GB35. Basically Genesee in Wyoming, but in Quebec. Anyways, here we have some foamers who, in typical foamer fashion, stole some stuff such as the horn and number boards. But there's more. They started up the locomotive. Here, this is a completely different locomotive, but they actually did it with the said locomotive in this video. This is just an example of what they actually did.
Come on, baby. Priming, priming, priming. Let's start her up. Yeah!
Oh my god!
Let's fucking go!
We got this shit working!
It's working! Oh shit, she's smoking!
Yeah, that's quite interesting. They were quite dumb to post this on TikTok or any social media platform for that matter, because now people know about this. This incident was kind of swept under the rug compared to Sebastian DeYoung, and it's worth talking about because it shows that now anyone could supposedly start a locomotive if the same system is there. Sure, this is just them starting up a locomotive, but this is quite dangerous nonetheless. They could have gotten to the cab and operated the locomotive. But fortunately, it didn't get to that. Anyways, here's another dumb shenanigan video of the locomotive we were talking about. And you wonder why society doesn't like us. Anyway, that's pretty much the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and see you later.